Welcome, Divine Family, to a complete new reading today. So, today we are going to do a reading regarding what's next in your career. Okay, so you have two piles, one is the red lotus, the another is the yellow lotus. So, you can choose any one pile or you can watch the entire reading as a guidance. All right, thank you. All right, pile number one, welcome back to your reading. So, these are your cards. You have got Seven of Swords, the Hanged Man, the Magician, Four of Rods, and King of Pentacles. Okay, as a guidance card, you have got Justice, and I'll be giving you a spell today for your finances. Okay, let's begin. So, your very first card, which says Seven of Swords. Okay, so what I can see in your career is there is a deception, or might be you are not realizing your full potential. Okay, now there can be different scenarios. Okay, one which I see, someone would have backstabbed you, or else, like, you would have done some work and other person would have taken in your office, they would have taken the um, name for that work. So, or else you are the one who has done this to any of your colleague. Okay, so might be that person is someone who is in power or he has some protection. Okay, and if this has not been your case till now, so take this card as a warning sign. In future or in the near future, this might happen. Okay, so be mindful about your action, be alert. Okay, because looks like there can be a colleague or a business partner or someone that they are taking something away from you which does not belong to them. Or if you are in the thoughts of doing this, so be mindful about your karma. Okay, so that person, that colleague of yours, can have, he might be very passionate or has an ego issue, so something he would be, a person in a good position. He can be your boss or he can be your colleague as well, or a business partner. Okay, or you might get, there is a case, you might get the blame also for something that you have not done. So might be he might there would be a scenario where you are blamed for no reason. Okay, so that is because you are not realizing your full potential. Okay, so you are running, or might be you are running away from a particular situation. So this is a warning card if this is not the particular situation in which you are involved in. Okay, so the very next card says the Hanged Man. Okay, so what does this card denotes is the universe is asking you to surrender to your life, or surrender to the universe or angels or the whichever god you believe in. A different, you should have a different perspective towards life. There can be, you need to do some personal sacrifice which is not harmful. Okay, which, what sacrifice you can do to improve a particular situation in which you feel stuck. So that could be a relationship in your house, in your family, or that could be into your office or career. Since we are doing this career reading, so most probably it would be related to your career. So where you know that you need to do some, or you are already doing a personal sacrifice for this particular project or a particular job. Okay, you are like getting your, like breaking old patterns. Okay, now you are in a, like, once you become alert, okay, you will be in a relaxed position despite of the circumstances around you, your inner peace will not be harmed. Okay, see, I can see sun around his head, right? The second card which says the hanged man. So that is the sign of spirituality as well, because you are a spiritual person. Even though there is going to be something which is not, in your favor, or a situation that will occur in the near future, or right now you are going through that situation, but it will not harm your inner peace. Okay, that is what I can see. You are into the process of enlightenment. You are a very much spiritual person, traditional person. You have control over your emotions. So you're trying to look at a life with a different perspective. Okay. So the very next card that sees the magician. Now you are manifesting. Okay, so he has all the elements on his table. If you could see uh, into this reading, this magician has all the energies around him. Okay, he has all the cards laid out in front of him, which is the fire element, the water element, the air element, okay, and the coins also as well. So he has all these elements around him. He has the infinity sign as well on his head, which seems like, oh, he is a spiritual person, and now he has a very strong manifesting quality. Okay, so he can manifest anything in his life. Since you are spiritual, universe is going to gift you with ability to manifest whatever you want in your life, and you are manifesting and bringing that positive change in your life. Okay, you are bringing that opportunity, you are attracting that new opportunity, new project, or new, what you can say, a new job in your career which you were looking for a very long time. It says you have what it takes to tap into the full potential of talents and capabilities to succeed. Okay, you are very, now you are becoming very skilled and determined. Okay, and also you will have options around you. Okay, um you will have unending capacity of creativity. Okay, so there is a headband around his head. Okay, what I can see is below the infinity sign, it represents his mind, the intention to manifest. Okay, he's standing on the ground and he's manifesting. See, his hand is up, right? So it indicates both heaven and earth. So he has the energy to manifest infinity into his life. Okay, you have the ability to master all the four elements, which and nature of duality. Okay, you can achieve anything, inspired and ready to start. That is what I can see from the magician card. The next card which you have got, the four of rods, right? So it denotes there's a small event that has come uh, in the near future. If that is not a small event, then there's something in an office party or office get together, and an old colleague of yours reuniting. There's a celebration, an enjoy moment, joy. So your hard work is stable and secure, positive progression of goals, a job well done. So you are going to manifest, you're going to get that job, or you're going to get that project which you manifested, and you are able to perform well into that project. And then there's a celebration. Okay, there would be a place of celebration nearby your office or nearby your home. Might be you would get some social recognition. Yeah. So, yes, this is regarding Four of Rods. Then you have the King of Pentacles, right? So we are doing a career reading, we are doing a financial reading, and you have got the King of Pentacles card. So which means this is the most positive card to come when we are doing something related to your career and finances. Okay, so this card denotes ultimate material success, power and authority, accomplished what you set out. So there is power to you, you are very disciplined, you are going to become, okay, in the coming future. You will have the wealth and richness, you are going to become a very patience loving person. Okay, you are going to become a very secure and spiritual. That spiritual you already are. You're going to become the center of authority, something stable, like the opportunity you will get in near future or you're going to attract is going to be stable for a very long time, so which will give you a lot of wealth and lot of prosperity. There can be a transfer also for you if you're looking, okay, if you're looking for a job transfer or a relocation or a job into a complete new this thing area or complete new city, state, country, that is also on cards for you. Okay, so yeah. And from the guidance from the divine, you have got the card of justice. So that says fairness, integrity, legal disputes, cause, effects, and life lessons. So, which very rightly goes with our tarot cards, okay, which says um, initially, if you see the very first card which says Seven of Swords, where there is a deception, right? But you will get justice as the days pass by. There would be some there would, if there's any legal case going on, you are going to win that legal case. The verdict will be on your favor. Okay, and there would be some lessons that you're going to learn in the coming future regarding your career, which is going to make you become more spiritual and more stable. Okay, so I have a spell for you to make a money bag in case if you're struggling with finances currently. Okay, I'll just read out to you. Okay, so this says to invite powerful change in your life and good fortune. What you do is on prepare a tiny green pouch you need to take, put some basil and mint. Basil is tulsi plant, okay, and mint and cinnamon sticks and a silver coin and a green stone into a green pouch. Okay, hold the pouch and put some jasmine essential oil onto it, and then you have to do this spell. Okay, the moon is a silver coin. This I know, I carry lunar magic with me everywhere I go. Blessings upon thee and me as my abundance grows. So just record this and or write it down. Make this money back, keep it with yourself, carry this power pouch with you as you go about your day, and soon blessings will shower upon you. Okay, so this is a blessing for you. If you do this remedy, this will surely help you in your financial struggles right now. Okay, all right, pile number one, this was your reading. I hope this brought some clarity to you. Thank you. All right, welcome back. Pile number two. Those who have chosen the yellow lotus. So these are your cards, which says Five of Swords, Ten of Swords, Four of Cups, Knight of Swords, the Chariot. As a guidance, you have got the Strength card. Okay, and there's a money spell that I have pulled for you guys. Okay, so the very first card that says Five of Swords. Okay, so what I can see into this card is there is differences in opinion. Okay, you are playing nice, but there is disagreement, there is trouble, there is conflict. So right now, whichever business you are, career you are, or in your office, or in the place of your finances, wherever there is disagreements. Okay, a hard battle is going on right now in your life. Okay, so there are two swords over this person's shoulder. In one hand and two on the ground. This suggests that the main figure is taking what left behind by the others and gathering them for their own use. That there's someone who is like, in the mode of deception for you, and they are taking some profit which you are not realizing. There is some obstacles right now. The higher realms to be explored. Okay. You are a very passionate person. Okay, also it's like there's some issue in like within you, which you can say like you are a self satisfied victor, so might be you're having a bit ego issue that I can see. Okay, the atmosphere at your career place or a place where you work can be quite stressful and agitating. Okay, also I can see that there's always arguments around you. Okay, so the very next card, which is the Ten of Swords, what does this denotes is need to change. There is very deep betrayal, deep wounds. The stress has pinned you down. Now see, there were 5 swords, now it has become 10. So the stress and the anxiety level has doubled. Okay, there is something mysterious and unknown that is causing you anxiety, that is making you anguish. Okay, something has been completely overcome, and that painful ending often comes so there's a painful ending, but you should also remember that every ending is a new beginning. There's a new insight and new understanding as well. Okay, right now there are very deep wounds, there is a betrayal right now, okay, which you are feeling. So mentally I can see you are very much stressed, you are into anxiety, there's so much of black color, there are stormy clouds into Five of Swords as well. So you need to take care of your mental health, pile number 2. Okay, you need to meditate, you need to calm down, you need to spend time in nature. Okay, do this will definitely help you. The very next card, which is Four of Cups, what it says, now you are bored, you are unmotivated, you are rejecting opportunities. Okay, it is a time of transition, higher thoughts. That is the divine message that divine is trying to give you. See, there's one cup that the divine is trying to offer you, but you are into your own world itself. If you look into the third card and you're not ready to accept that opportunity, there is the new cups being handed is not seen. Yeah, there are you now, there is a connection between heaven and earth. Okay, now you are giving upon and you're not open for opportunities. There's an excitement has fizzled out, you are stuck in your life, you have closed your heart for new opportunities, you're unmotivated, you are bored right now in your life. So this can be the current situation which is going on, or in the coming future. This is for you, pile number 2. I'm sorry for this situation. I'm feeling very bad right now, but this is what, I cannot be sugar coated, but this is what the cards are denoting. Okay, but do not worry, I always have remedies for you, and that will definitely work. Believe me, if you follow those remedies, it will definitely help you in this situation. Okay, the next card, see, you are improving. It's not a very negative reading. So till now you were depressed, but see, now I can see you are sitting on the horse, and you're moving ahead, and you are all set and ready to take action, move ahead in your life, and you are really ready to knock down whoever comes in your way. You are in your full speed. Big changes are coming. You're thinking quick. You have high determination power. Now you have become ambitious, brave. You have all the daring that is required to take action. Okay, you are fast, you are a quick thinker. Now your motives will be pure. You will be moving ahead, and now you will have that growth and success in your life which you missed initially. Okay, now what the next card symbolizes is the chariot. See, what I can see from the chariot card is th- there are two horses, you can say. Yeah, one is white and the other is black, so which says there is a success despite obstacles. You have just need to maintain focus and control. You need to move forward in positive direction. You have that willpower, you have that ambition. You're now, it's a time to take charge. Okay, you will be moving ahead. You will have that success in your life. Okay, you will master the skills that is required for this job, this project, or I'm sorry, whatever career you're looking for. Okay, you have that ability to rise high right now. Okay, you're moving ahead. This is a process, looks as if a procession. You have got some victory in particular project or job, and you're just moving ahead with lot of even I can, right now there's that victory card is coming in front of me, where he's sitting on that horse and moving ahead. There's a lot of happiness and joy. The same is in the chariot card as well, wherein you are moving ahead with lot of, even though there is obstacles, but the divine is with you, and you have that victory, you have that success, and you are able to maintain that focus, and you will be at a very good position, and you are going to get that success, or you are going to able to complete that project, or that skills which is required for the particular job. You will be able to master over those skills. Okay, yeah. So this is what the tarot cards represent. From the divine guidance, you have got the strength card, which you can see there's a Lord Hanuman also into this card, which says strength, courage, compassion, focus, influence. Okay, so you have that strength, you have that courage in you, within you. You need to tap into that energy. Pile number 2, if there's a temple nearby of a Hanuman temple, you can go and visit, and ask the god for strength and that courage and power. He will definitely guide you and help you to get success in the coming future. Okay, pile number 2, now I'll give you the spell for your money issues. Okay, for your finances. So in order to attract more money in your life, what you need to do is fill a pot, okay, partially with fresh water, and place it into the moonlight. Okay, light a green candle, and okay, light a green candle, and then you need to pray aloud. I call upon you, gods and goddesses of old. Please come and fill my pot with gold. with harm to none and blessings to thee. I honor you for bringing me healthy and prosperity. After you pour this water into your garden and improve your home with the money magic. Okay, so either you can drink that water from the pot, or else you can put that water to the plants if you're having at your home. Okay, this will definitely help you to improve your finances. All right, pile 2, this was your reading. I hope this brought some clarity to you. Thank you and have a great day.